morning, good morning. The first of the month. Wake up, wake up. I'm in the beautiful city of Larkin, Illinois. Small village out here, small town out here, about 120 miles out of the Cook County city of Chicago. Here to conduct a 1A. Brand new for ya. Just yesterday, about let's say 7 hours ago, I was live streaming and the property tax code. Anyhow, there goes a old school right there. That's a real nice. It's also a public library here as well. City of Larkin, Illinois. I did notice some pages here. This is the city hall. I noticed some pages here, so let's take a quick photo of all this information here. Okay, back at it. I'm trying to pull some FOIAs here as well. So,
Alright. Will do.
Yeah.
Sure.
Or Brett could do it this winter when he's bored.
Ann had agreed that we're gonna do some little thing every day this week for her birthday. So I gotta go pick up her flowers and balloon. Well, now she talked to her. If you go by there, she had to pull her car out. She's sanding and staining doors for the guest room.
Oh, brother.
So she got away with that.
Tell her 5 Friday.
Yeah.
Okay.
excuse me. Hi, good morning. Okay, I'm here to do an inspection on the archives for the village, for the city hall.
Okay, and who are you and what company are you doing it for?
Oh, well, with the Freedom of Information Act of Illinois.
Okay.
However, it doesn't require freedom of information for the archives. Is the archives open at the current second?
What do you mean by archives?
Maps and plats, plat surveys and maps.
No, there's several places. Who are you with? Who are you working for?
Sir, I don't answer any questions.
Okay, then make a Freedom of Information Act. We don't drop everything for archives.
No, that's not what I'm asking, sir. What is your job title?
I'm the mayor of the city.
Oh, nice to meet you, sir. Sir, is the archives readily available to the public?
No.
According to state statutes, it is.
File a Freedom of Information Act. We'll make it
Okay.
available.
My man, and you're the clerk here?
I'm the utility clerk.
Utilities, okay. Do you have a Freedom of Information form? Can I have 4?
Check for you. Will you be doing it in person request? Because we have 2 different forms. I haven't,
Can I have a copy of both forms?
sure.
So there's the mayor already there, made a false claim saying, I'm here demanding. And he's the sworn oath mayor. Telling a false report?
I tell you what I'll do for you. I don't wanna argue with your sound adversarial. You want my picture now?
No, sir, I'm recording audio and video.
Oh, you gotta tell me if you're recording me.
Sir,
No, you cannot record me without your permission.
are you referring to a specific law or statute?
I've got our police chief, who's our FOIA officer, coming up to talk to you, okay?
Okay, well, I'm not demanding stuff. You just
I'm telling you,
admitted.
you cannot record me without my permission.
We'll verify from the police chief.
You do that.
Okay, this is a public building, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I'm able to film in here and document my visit.
You're not listening to me. I didn't tell you you couldn't. I'm telling you, you cannot without our permission.
And I'm asking you, are you specifically talking about a law or a statute? Because I'm not demanding anything, sir. Just
I
because,
wish you'd turn that off until he comes up there.
sir, this does not lie. Okay, I'm talking soft and
Don't
sweet.
give him anything else.
I'm talking soft and sweet, sir. That's not a way to introduce yourself as you're the mayor. Come on, mayor. Let's abide by the statutes here.
Stop trying to bait me.
Sir, those are your words there. I came in, I said, good morning. I'm taking photos of the beautiful architect you got on the wall here. I simply asked you in a nice, courteous voice if I'm able to view the archives, which I am according to state statutes. It's not a demand. Okay? It's not a demand. The camera shows good folks. And the police chief, he's a custodian of the police side. He's a record keeper of the police side.
He's also our FOIA officer.
Okay.
I asked you to stop filming without my permission. Stop recording me without my permission. He's putting this in my face, trying to bait me.
Sir, it's not in your face. I'm standing social distance.
He's all
What
yours.
can we do for you?
Hey, sir, what's your name and badge?
That's a great start.
It is, for the
What's your
record
name and
here.
identification.
Well, filing freedom of information does not require first name, last name, or address. Are you the chief here?
I am the
So
Freedom
you-
of Information Officer.
Okay.
While we go out here and talk,
Sir, I'm waiting for these forms.
I'm the FOIA officer, so.
Okay, I'm waiting
you're not
for
gonna
these
get any
forms
quicker
here.
than me.
Sir, I'm waiting for these forms
You
here
don't
from the
have
young
forms.
lady. Yep, she's printing out 2 forms.
Come on outside, let's talk.
Am I detained?
You really have to have that kind of response to let's go outside and talk?
Sir, I'm here to conduct business. I'm waiting on
I'm
these
the
forms
FOIA
here.
officer. How much better can